one, they just dropped in. They were going to be making tacos, a little different. This is the new taco. I'm a little bit behind. You put the meat on your taco shell or your tortilla and you turn it over in the meat cooker first. And it takes 4 minutes. I'll use my clock over there. Well, I fixed another one. See, I'm just putting this one. And you just put it as thin as you can. Everybody says they don't think it'll work, but it does. And, you know, it's a little different. And it was on, was it YouTube? And everybody started doing it. But now you have to put it on as thin as it'll go. As thin as you can get it. It's usually, now these tacos, these tortillas, are a little bit bigger than, and but you usually the size below this would be better. But mine, where I was at, didn't have them. And so I went with this size, but really, I see how thin I've got that. Turn it down just a little bit. Put this one on. I'm a little bit soft one now. That's it. And I've got my taco settings over here. There's over. See? How perfectly it's cooked, and it's cooked underneath too. And the taco shell is crispy. Well, they look good. Actually, they look very good. Well, this 2 minutes on this side, I forgot. I can take this off. Look it up one more time. Isn't that pretty? Yes. And 2. Put one more on. And I want taco sauce on mine. There it is. Oh, onion. I'm going to do this time. That is good. It's good. The bun is, I mean, the tortilla is what's good. And you can see how good the meat cooked all the way through. Well, it's a new one. I hope you check it. I'm sorry I'm talking food in my mouth again. Right? I think you'll like it, and I think your family will like it. It's just a new something that's going around for right now. And we like to pick up new things, don't we? Well, I enjoyed this. It's been fun. Remember to enjoy this week. Do something to make someone else happy, too. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye.